Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Wayne. Today we will be talking about selecting a contractor or a builder. Welcome to Mandeville. This is the town. Okay, so you've secured your piece of land and you're almost ready to build, but you have a few more steps. Now you need to find a licensed architect to draw a blueprint. You're going to need this later on to bring to the Parish Council to approve your plan. You're also going to need a surveyor to survey your land so you could know your boundaries. A quantity surveyor is a good idea. I didn't use one, but it could save you money. His job is basically to let you know how much money it would cost you to build. Check the description below for more information. Now, if you're trying to find a licensed contractor, I would start with the Jamaica Master Builders Association. They have tons of licensed contractors there. I didn't use a contractor. Correction, I only use a contractor for my roof. The rest of it I use a builder. 3 things you need to bring to the Parish Council. You will need the paperwork for your land. You will need a local blueprint. And you will also need a surveyor. When I went to the Parish Council, I was told I have 2 years to start building. I took a year and saved some money and start building a year later. Take your time, there's no rush. I know you remember your grandmother said, one quokka, full basket. It's true. There's no way I would be able to do that in one shot. It took me over 5 years to get where I'm at. You could also call your local parish council and ask them how to obtain a rate sheet. The rate sheet would have information on how much a builder should charge you to lay block, tie steel, stuff like that. There's a lot of information on there which could help you. If you decide to go with a builder, I strongly suggest you get at least 3 estimates and have them bid on your house project. Make sure you pick the right one because the foundation is the most critical part of your house. I strongly recommend that you are present on site as much as possible when your house is being constructed. If you decide to go with a builder, I recommend you purchase all of your building material yourself. You will also need a licensed electrician, plumber, and steel worker to work alongside the builder. Professional, this is just my experience throughout my journey. A little bit about me. I was born in Jamaica, raised in New York, Queens Far Rockaway to be exact. I currently reside in Florida. I ran my own mobile detailing business for over 20 years, and I don't see where I'll be able to retire in this country comfortable. So I'm building my retirement home in Jamaica. I'm planning on living off of my land, raise a few chickens, maybe a goat or two. Also planning on installing a solar system on my house because the electric company in Jamaica is very expensive, and I see that it would be a problem for me in the future, expense wise. So I'm gonna make preparation for it while I'm still young. If you'd like to see more video like this, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. It let me know that you guys appreciate this kind of contents. I want to thank you. Looking forward to see you in the next video.